Youth in Port Harcourt City, the Rivers State capital, has taken to the streets to campaign under the rain for the presidential candidate of the Labour Party, Peter Obi. The youth in their zeal shut down the Port Harcourt City as they marched in solidarity for Peter Obi.
Obi, Peter Obi, Obi, na the best man. Obi, Peter Obi, Obi, na the best man. Obi, they no pay me. Obi, they pay you. 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 No more shishi. No more shishi. No more shishi. Obi, 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 Obi,
Garrison, how would they like this now? Garrison, see, he choke everywhere. He choke, Tokocho, he choke. Pressure. 4 million PSI. This pressure go bust pipe. 4 million PSI. Pressure, too much pressure. Where this crowd from come? Jesus, he love. Where this crowd from come? Yes or wicked, we want you on board. Yes or wicked, we want you on board. This is your state. They are making a statement to tell you that this is where we are now. We want you on board for presidency. For presidency, yes or wicked, we want you on board. We want you on board. We want you on board. See crowd. Jesus, see crowd. Under rain. Which love won't pass this one? Under rain. No go yes. Yo, wait. Under rain, see crowd. See crowd, Jesus. Under rain, Jesus. Under rain.
Sorry, you got a bado.
I go forbid.
You got a
Go forbid.
I'm going to give 50 million youth. Army.
Hey!
Army.
We know what. One Bobo juice, we know what. We are taking back our country. We are taking back our country. See crowd, more they come. See crowd under rain. Which kind of love pass this kind of thing? This is organic crowd. This is organic crowd. We call for 2 million, we see 4 million. 2 million max, we see 4 million. We hope for that.
Kindly subscribe to this channel, News Pop, and please drop your comments down the comment section. I am Blessing Izija. Thanks for watching.